There's our steel. Time to get started on our smoker project. So this is 1/4 inch thick, 4x8 sheet. It's supposed to weigh a little over 300 pounds. So I'm gonna cut it as I pull it off in the lengths that I need, so I don't have to move it all at one time. Here's the blade I'm using, Steel Demon from Diablo. Actually works pretty good. So cutting steel with a circular saw is a little rough on the saw. I think we just smoked this one. So this is a little bit different design. I guess the same design, but it's a different size than I've built before. So I'm just winging this thing. I'm trying to figure out how to space out my stacks coming up to the smoker box from the firebox. Just want to get it nice and even, not too close to the outer edges. Somewhere in there. Figuring out how much I've got to cut out to get the stacks in there. Got her stacked where we want them. Now what I'll do is I'll go in here and lift them up, get them close to the top, get the right length on them, right height on them. So that's our firebox. All we got to do now is a lot of welding, and now it's heavy. That's the beginning of the box. Looks big. I don't know if it's too big. Trying to get everything figured out. I got it pretty close. I'm gonna slope the pan on the bottom so that all the grease will drain out. Put a little catch pan for that. Well, I think that's gonna do it for this part of the smoker build. Still a lot to do, a lot to figure out. It's time to go get something cold to drink. And I want to say thanks for joining us. If you haven't already, come on, subscribe to the channel. I know this is not a C10, but I put a little bit of everything out there. I'm always doing different stuff, too many projects. But we'll catch y'all next time. Thanks for watching.